Welcome to another session. We have been solving some problems from exercise 5.2. This is the 13th problem. So I read it first. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So to find how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7, let's find out what are the 3-digit numbers. So 3-digit numbers begins with 100 followed by 101, 102. It goes till 999. So these are the 3 digits number, is it? But in our question, what is asked? How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Which means how many numbers are divisible by 7 in this range? From 100 to 999, we are going to find how many numbers are going to divisible by 7. So in this case, we don't know anything. The first number, which is A, the common difference D, and the last number A, nth value, we don't know anything, right? So, but the clue is given. Should be divisible by 7. So let me try to write the first value in our AP. For example, so let me check 100, 101 is divisible by or not. So 100, no, not divisible by 7, not 101, not 102, not 103, not 104. So 105 can be divisible by 7. So that is the first number which is divisible by 7 in this range. So I can write A equal 105. So what could be the next number? This is the first number. A is the first number always. So what could be the next number? You just add 7 to this number. We will get 112. So this is the second number. To find the third number, just add 7, 119. So to find the nth value, which is the last number which is divisible by 7, to find that, let's start backwards from the last number. Here I am talking about between these range, not more than 999. There are several numbers which is divisible by 7 after 999, but our range is, so this we need to focus on only 3-digit numbers. So I can write AN value is 994. So 994 can be divisible by 7. Yes, okay. We know the A value and nth value. We can form the AP now. Let me write the AP here. So AP equal, what is the first number? 105 followed by 112, 119, and the last number is 994. So we can devalue as well, which is A2 minus A1, which gives me 112 minus 105, 7. So D value is 7. Now we found out A, D and AN value. So what we have to find? Only N value. Here what N represents? Number of 3 digits. 3 digits numbers which is divisible by 7. So let's find out. The formula is AN equal A plus N minus 1 into D. Let's substitute the value for AN. We know that the last number 994 equal for A 105 plus N we need to find N minus 1 into D for D 7. So 994, let's bring the minus 105 to the left side. Sorry. So 105 equal N minus 1 into 7. So 889 equal N minus 1 into 7. So N minus 1 equal 889 by 7. N minus 1 equal 127. So n equal 128. So we can conclude as there are 128 three digits numbers can be divisible by 7. Hope you understand. Let's try to solve this one, the 14th problem, which is exactly the same. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? So here the range is given. So 10, 11, 12, it goes on till 250. This is our range. So we are going to find how many numbers are there in this region. So in this range can be divisible by 4. So multiples means not factors, they're divisible by 4. The numbers which is divisible by 4. So what will be the first number? I think after 10, what will the first number which is divisible by 4? Must be 12. Yeah, 12 is number, the first number can be divisible by 4. So the next number must be 12 plus 4, 16. And the third term 16 plus 4, 20, 24 and so on, it goes on like that. So we can write the AP as the first number 12, 16, 20, 24, it goes on up to, we have to find the last number which is divisible by 4. Let's find out the 250 can be divisible by 4 or not. So 250 not divisible by 4. I think 248 can be divisible by 4, which will be the last number, last term of this AP. So what are the values we can write from this AP? From this series we can write the A value, we know that 12. So D must be A2 minus A1. So must be 4. The last value, the nth value, nth value is 248. So we have to find n. So what is the formula here? An equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Let's substitute the value for an. I write 240. So 248 equal for a 12 plus n, we need to find n minus 1 into d 4, and 248 minus 12 equal n minus 1 into 4. So 236 equal n minus 1 into 4. So n minus 1 equal 236 divided by 4. So I will get 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So 5 4s are 20 and so 59. So n equals 60. So there are 60 numbers which is divisible by 4 between these two numbers 10 and 250.